welcome to my channel. Today we are doing Italy vlog. When we went to participate in the amateur Olympia, Italy. Arrived at Italy Milano airport going to hotel. The weather is warm around 21 degrees. Look at the beautiful Italy. They kept their vintage and history. Still maintain the heritage views in the inside cities. As you can see the narrow corridors and passage through which the cars are going. This place is famous in many Hollywood action movies. There is no much traffic as you can see the roads and not too busy or crowded. It's almost time now, around 2 p.m. afternoon. We are heaving towards our hotel. It's almost nearby. We booked a house. As we arrived, we kept our things and was so tired and hungry from the flight. I will take you a tour to our house we rented in Italy. Kitchen was big and well equipped for the cooking. Consists of all cookware and ovens and microwave. Let's say a full tech kitchen. This house has 2 floors. Downstairs consist of sitting area and kitchen. Upstairs consist of 2 bedrooms, balcony and toilet. Sorry for the things scattered here and there. This is the balcony in the bedroom. Look at the beautiful view from our balcony, and weather is so amazing. This is the next day as we go outside for check-in AMD weigh-in for the competition Olympia Amateur Italy. Both sides of the road are full of trees, birds, green view. It's on an amazing, beautiful view. You must experience Italy. Are full of friendly people who like to help the tourists. We finished the weigh-in and we are going back to our house. Look at the building in Italy. The weather is little cloudy today. As we can see, there is little cold wind and sprinkle of rain here and there. Look at the level of road in Italy. It's a motor highway. Connect both major cities. This place consists of some schools. As you can see, many school buses bringing baby back to home after the school. As it's getting evening, the street gets to start little crowded. People are more active at night here than morning as they have work and other businesses. We are exploring the deep inside the city. As you can see, many buildings here, a little busier place than the place where we staying. Some quiet, amazing building views from here. Started to rain little now. Weather started to feel really cold right now. As you can see, the exhibit in their little play area for people. Some rides. It's a great view to look.
كل أحبه من زمان وأدوره في
We kept exploring and the weather kept changing, sometimes cloudy. Little rainy, then again little sunny. It was an amazing experience.
بعيد خل أحبه من زمان وأدوره في كل مكان.
As you can see the clouds in the sky. The next day, my competition day, Olympia Amateur, Italy.
Thank you. You 5 guys can leave the stage. In silver place, taking the second award and your runner-up today in men's bodybuilding open light heavyweight.
Finally, I got silver
57,
medal second place
Harish
in
Kumar.
Olympia, Italy. Thanks to Lord and all Joes
Beating
who
your
prayed
winner.
for me.
Taking that top spot and coming back competing in the overall is competitive 54, Matisan Bogdan.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like my videos.